So let's start here, guys. We said that the largest atom contained 7 energy levels or 7 principal energy levels, and we said that the nucleus of the atom, it contains positive protons and the neutral neutrons, and there are 7 energy levels. Okay, so these 7 energy levels, we give them to n. N means principal energy level. So we said that the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we said that actually they are different in energy. As we move further from the nucleus, the energy increases. So the electrons which is already revolve in energy level 7 have more energy than the electrons which revolve in energy principal energy level number 1. Okay, so one electron to transfer from one energy level to the next, it need to get an amount of energy we call it quantum, which is specific amount of energy. And then we said that actually this n represents a major area or path in which the electron passed. Actually, inside this path or inside this area, there are some sub-tracks or sub-levels. We said that there are major the sub-levels or sub-energy levels are 4, which are, anyone can remind me, guys, what we call them? Do you remember the sub-energy levels?
الامستر
Sub-energy levels.
N و P و
No. Yeah,
S
S, B, D, and F. There is no N. Okay?
Okay.
So here like this, we said that actually the first energy level, because it is the lowest energy, and the first one, it just contains one energy, one sub-energy level, which is S. Okay? Then 2 has 2 sub-energy levels, which are
SP
S and B. And then we have S, B, D. And then S, B, D, F, and E, and so on. Then the last energy level. Okay, guys? So here like this, we call this, that's some energy level. So that's how they recognize. And we said that there is a certain order of the energy of each of these levels. So how we could remember this, I'm gonna just back to our presentation to remember how we, according to Aufbau law, we said that when we start to distribute electrons around the nucleus, always electrons tend to fill the sub-energy levels which lower in energy before the high energy. That means always they tend to save energy. So regarding to this, look with me here, guys. So here, let's see. We said that write out the electron configuration of an element shows how many electrons are in each sublevel. That's the idea. When I said make the electron configuration, so how we make this? Look at me here, guys. So we said that easy way to know, that means if you can't remember which energy level is the highest, you can do as it. Write the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, because you, of course, no more than fifths, okay, for you, as because after that they are unstable elements, and keep so on. So it means 1s is the lowest energy sublevel ever, then 2s, 2b, 3s, 3b, 4s is lower in energy than 3d, although 3d in the third energy level and 4s in the fourth energy level, but still the amount of energy for electrons to rotate in the 4s sub-energy level is less than the energy needed to in 3d. So that's better to put electrons occupy 4s before they occupy 3d. So 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3b, 4s and back to 3d, then 4b, 5s is less energy than 4d, and keep so on. So you need to know how to make this. Is it hard, guys? Is it hard? Can you make it as you saw in the video?
Yes.
Yes. So we said that the sub-energy level S carry how many electron, or able to carry how many electron? Anyone remember?
What, mister?
The sub-energy level S able to carry how many electron? That means S could be filled by how many electron? I can't hear you guys.
2.
2. So, and B could be filled with? 6 guys, okay? So we said that actually sub-energy level S, it could filled by 2, B could filled by 6, D could filled by 10, and F could filled by 14. Do you remember this? Okay?
Yes.
So just why especially this number we're gonna know later. Why this could filled by 2, why this by 6, we're gonna just know later, but just remember this till we go. So let's see what happens here. So the electron configuration of an element shows which sublevels are occupied and how many electrons are in each one. For example, here sodium Na11. So 11, it's the atomic number, and that represents the number of protons, and at the same time it's equal to the number of electrons. So when we start to make the electron configuration, we start in the order which we know. The 1s will contain 2, so we still have 9. So 2s will be occupied by 2, so like this we get 4 out of 11. We still have 7. 2b will get 6, so like this, okay, we already have 10, and we still have 1 electron that will occupy the 3s. This is how like this, guys. That means we start to distribute. This one take 2, 2, so like this 4, 6, 10, and 1. So we finish. Stop that here. Good idea? Do you get the idea, guys? Or is not clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
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 So here like this, if I told you this element, where do you expect to find in the periodic table? Do you know? So in which block? S block, P block, D block, or F block? Do you remember?
S.
S block, excellent, good. Why? Because it's already ends by the sub energy level S. So that means I'm gonna find S. Actually, the first 2 columns that's found in the periodic table, we call them the S block. Good. Do you think which group 1 or 2? That means the first column or second column? What do you think?
Second.
No, first. How could I know? By the numbers. If it just contain 1, so in the first column. If 2, they are in second column. Okay? You get idea, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this we are gonna explain it later in details, but just I want to give you a little hint about this. No problem till now. We just know how to know what we need to know how to make the electron configuration. So here, for example, we are gonna find that O oxygen O8. So how many electron? They are 8. So who can tell me how the electron configuration will be of this element? Anyone can tell me? Let's do it. Who can tell me? So 1s, 2, then guys,
2s2.
2s2, brilliant. Then
2b
4, excellent. Okay, so like this, they are 8 electrons. That's the electron configuration of oxygen. Okay, so here simply that's how we make an electron configuration. Anyone have any question regarding to this, guys? Okay, so here let's see that part. So like this we can find that's how the electron configuration will look like. So our answer is true, as you can see. So we can do the electron configuration now, no problem. So let's try here to find this and try to solve this together to practice more about electron configuration. So here we said, just make, guys, please. Okay, guys. So here again, let's practice this part as we said. So he said that lithium has electron configuration 1s2, 2s1. I'm gonna tell you that the lithium atomic number is 3. So let's find, is it true or not? So lithium, Li,
True.
3. So let's make the configuration. So 1s2, 2s1. Is it true or not? True or false, guys?
True.
True. Okay, so we are gonna say that is true. Then number 2, sulfur has electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2b4. Actually, the sulfur is s16. So who can make the electron configuration of this one to ensure this is true or false? Okay, if you know the answer, you can raise your hand. Just share with me. Okay, to practice well, guys, because it's very, very important. Okay, so if you know the answer, you could raise your hand. Who try to make this electron configuration? No one? Okay, Yasin? Yes? Let's try S16. So it will be
1s2,
1s2. Excellent.
2s2,
2s2. Brilliant.
2p6.
2b6. Then?
Atomic number is 16, right?
Yes. 3s.
يبقى 3s2,
Yes. 3b.
3b 10, 4, yes.
4. Okay. So is it the same here?
No.
No. So that's false, of course. Okay. So good. Yes, Jenna, do you want to ask or you want to answer?
No, I wanted to answer.
What?
I wanted to
Okay.
answer.
So here, he said that chlorine and argon both have the same electron configuration. Here, chlorine -1. That means it's an ion that's already gained electron. So actually, we're gonna find that chlorine atomic number is 17, and argon is 18. So chlorine normal atom is 17. When it gain 1 electron, how much it will be?
18.
Guys, again,
18.
chlorine 18. So it will be the same number like argon. So we already know that they have the same number of electrons, but do they have that electron configuration or not? Let's find out. So let's try to make electron configuration of 18 electron. Who can make it, guys? Who can work with me, guys? Who can? I need to distribute 18 electron. How could I distribute them?
It's
Yes,
true,
Jenna?
Mr.
Yes, Jenna. 1s,
It's true.
2, 2s.
It's 2B.
Which one?
It's number 3 is true أصلا.
Yeah, so you know it's true, yes? Tell me that, yeah, so it's true, of course. But we just say, we show how we make it. We said that 1s2, 2s2, 2b6, 3s2. So like this, how much they are? Just 12 electron. So we still have 6 electrons out of 18. So 3b will be filled with this 6. So it's the same. So it's true. Good. Okay. So aluminum Al13. Who can make the electron configuration of aluminum, guys? I need someone to make the electron configuration of aluminum.
Okay, Mr.
Yes,
Okay.
Tadros. Let's start.
Mr. I think it's true.
Let's start. Show me 1s,
2,
2s,
2,
2b,
6,
3x.
3.
No, because
4, 10. Mr. What's this number? Number
what?
كام?
13.
Aluminum
13.
13. 4. Okay, it will be 3.
No, because the energy level is just filled by 2. So like this, I have 2 and 2, 4, 6, 10, and 2. So I must open another energy level 3b1.
1.
Good idea?
Oh, yes.
So although the numbers are 13, but actually the sub energy level S just filled by 2. I can't put 3 electrons in S. You get this, guys?
Oh, yes, yes. عشان مكسب number 2.
Be careful about this small tricks, okay?
Okay.
So here we said that fluorine -1 and the nitrogen -3 both have the same electron configuration. So fluorine actually is 9, nitrogen is 7. So as fluorine will gain 1 electron, so it will be 10, and as nitrogen will gain 3 electrons, -3, it means become an ion that gain 3 electrons. So it will be 10 also. So both have the same number, but do they have this configuration? Let's check. 1s2, 2s2, 2b6, the R10. So it's true. Is it clear for you guys?
Yes.
Anyone have any question regarding to this, guys? Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's check now if it's clear for everyone or not. Okay, so here, let's play this game. Okay, so we're gonna play this game together, guys. For example, I'm gonna choose let's choose Knuz. Knuz.
Yes, Mr. Sorry, Karim.
Pick whatever any element of these.
FE 55 26. Sorry.
26. Which one's 26? What the symbol? The symbol
FE.
Fe. Okay, so Fe, the iron. Okay, iron 26. Yes or no? Fe. Okay. So could you make the this one, please? Could you try? Let's try it. Okay. So it's 26. We need to distribute 26. We need to distribute 26 electron. You choose a big element. Okay.
Yes.
Let's try to do it. Okay.
Yes.
Let's start. So 1s.
Okay.
Sorry. So here, that's Fe 26. So let's start. 1s. How much? How much 1s? 2. The sub energy level S filled by 2. So 1s2, then
2s2.
2s2, good. Then
And
2b
2p4.
No, 6. The energy level B could be
6.
filled by 6. Okay. So then we finish the sub energy. We finish the main energy level 2. We start by 3s. That will be filled by S. All the S filled by.
Okay.
Are you with me?
I don't know.
So 3s will be filled by how much?
6.
2 also. It's like this S, no problem. Okay. Then 3b
Okay.
6. So till now, how many until now? 6 plus 2, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 2, 18. So we still have 10 electrons. So after 3b, what the next energy level that? So is it better to open 3d or 4s? Guys, who can answer this question? What after 3b?
3D.
No, 4s we said it's lower in energy than
3D.
No, we said that 4s is lower in energy than 3d. Okay, so we start by 4s first. We'll take 2. So like this, we still have 2 and 6. They are 8, 2. They are 10, 16, 18, 20. So I still have 6 electrons that will be placed in 3d. So 3d, 6. You got? So here the trick that we open 4s before 3d. Okay? Because 4s is lower energy than 3d. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, so let's check if our answer is true. Here, that's Fe. So let's find the Fe here, how it's look like. So we said that principal quantum number, how many principal, okay, that means how many principal energy level do we have? We have principal energy level 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we got 4 here. Then how many sub energy level do we have? How many sub energy level we have? Okay, so we have sub energy level D. We end by block D. Okay, so or S What the sub-energy level do we have? The last sub-energy level? It's D, yes or no? And number of electrons in it, it will be 6. So let's check here. Okay, that will be 4D. No, so we're supposed to make it 3. Sorry. Again, sorry. Let's correct this one. Do we need to make it from the beginning? So this one here. So the principle, that's mean you're gonna write it one by one. So it's like this. Let's see the correction to find here the idea. Okay. 1s2, 2s2, 2b6, 3s2, 3b6, 4s2, and 3d6 as we did see. So we are, our answer is true. Let's try another one, guys. Okay, let's try another one. Who need to try,
Okay.
guys? Who need to try? Who wants to practice? Lulwa, how are you? Lulwa.
I'm fine يا مستر موجودة.
So, okay, I know that you are here. Could you share us on this? Could you pick any element?
Okay.
Pick whatever you want.
اللي هي اللي بعديها وخلاص أي حاجة.
Just which one? Just tell me the simple. Which one? Which one, Lulwa?
مستر أي واحدة وأنا مش عارفة أي حاجة وخلاص.
So let's take someone. Okay, I think it's gonna be easy or something like that. So let's pick up, for example, let's take okay, that's, let's try a big one just to know, to practice more about this. So bromine 35, I need to distribute 35 electrons. So who can, let's try what we're going to do, what the first energy level will be. So let's try to answer this, guys. Okay, Lulwa, are you ready? Lulwa. So bromine 35, first energy level 1s 2, then hurry up, let's try.
وبعد كده 2s.
Good. 2b.
وبعد كده 2b وبعد كده
3.
أيوه. بعد كده 3s.
2. Good. Then 3.
وبعد كده 3b 6.
6. Good.
وبعد كده 4s.
Brilliant. 4s 2. Then
بعد كده
3.
4b.
3d.
3d.
We got back to
أيوه
3d
صح.
before. Yeah. So let's count how many we distributed till now. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10 plus 2 12 plus 6 18 plus 2. So they are 20. So 3d will be occupied by 10. Okay.
كان بعد كده عايزين 5
So
كمان.
then we back to 4b. How many we're gonna add? 5. Yes or no? Is it hard like this?
لا.
Okay. So let's find out if our answer is true or not. Let's find here. So yes, it's ended by 4. Okay, 4b occupied by 5 electrons. So we are true. So the idea is clear for you now, guys. Is it clear? We know how we make an electron.
طبعا مستر I have a question.
Yes, تدرس.
لو اخذنا اللي هو ال H اللي هو اول واحد اللي هو 1 هتبقى 1s1 بس صح؟
Yes, 1 is 1. Okay. So now, is it hard like this in hard question in electron configuration, or is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
تمام مستر.
Okay, so like this, okay, we know how to make the electron configuration. So like this, we know how to make that. I think it's easy, and I think we got. So regarding to the ions, we have two types of ions: the ions, negative ions, and positive ion. So as it's negative, it means it gains electrons. So we are gonna add the number of negative charge to the number or to the atomic number. For example, oxygen is 8. So oxygen -2, it means this oxygen is already gained 2 more electrons, so it will be 10. You got the idea? You got this, guys? So here like this, as we can see here. So count number of electron in atom. So the number of the number of electrons in the ordinary atom of oxygen. So it's 8. And now it's an ion, then gain 2. So here it has 2. So A plus 2 it will be 10 electrons. So I will distribute 10 electrons. Okay. So here like this, I'm going to distribute like 10 because he asked to make electron configuration for an ion. Okay. Another kind of electrons, another kind of sorry, here ions, they are the positive one, the ions that carry positive charge. Positive charge, they mean they already lose electron or they lost electrons. So as they lost electrons, so we are gonna minus the number of electrons from the total number of the atomic number of an element. Okay. So any hard question regarding to this part, guys? Any hard question here, guys? Guys, yeah.
Okay.
Like that, okay, we know how to make the electron configuration. We just still have a little part in this section that we will cover next time, inshallah. So next time we're gonna know how to distribute the electrons in the orbitals of each sub-energy level. That means we're gonna know why the reason that S just could be filled by 2, B could filled by 6, not more than this, and D could filled by 8, 10, and so on. There is a reason for that, yes, and then we're gonna know how we could put electrons in these sub-energy levels. So please study this part well from your textbook, okay? And you are gonna find all your material uploaded in your SMS. So if you have any question, you can back to this material. And if you still have any question, you can ask me next time, inshallah, or even contact me via WhatsApp or whatever any way. I'm always available for you. Any question, guys?
Thank you.
Thank you,
No,
miss.
thank
Thank you, guys. Goodbye.